Hi, let's do bisection. Today we'll just understand the basics. How do we do the steps, and then we'll solve the question in the next video. Okay, so we first see the interval. Without seeing this thing over here, we first see the interval we have given. Okay, the first thing is this is xl and this is xu. Xl basically means lower limit and xu means upper limit. Okay, then we plug everything in, like these things over here and here, um, in this formula. Basically, int means integer, so say you got 4.83 as your answer, you will round it off to 5, right? Okay. LNEA is basically the true error, so for this question our true error is 10 to the minus 8, and you put this here, and then it is ln2. This is a constant, we always use it. There's no variables over here. This is only ln2. So if you know the answer of ln2, then you can write it. I basically write it like this, so it's always accurate. Okay, and then you get, when you solve for n, you will get the number, so you get 5. So n equals to 5 iterations that is less than ea, because the question will ask you that. Okay, let's go to step 2. So these things are the most important things you have to, because when you make a table, so you make a table in step 3, you will need these in a synchronized order. So for me, I always write XL first, XU, and then XR. XR is basically the average of these two. That's it. So say the number. So the number is basically the number of iterations. So this is like I said, 5, right? So you're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to solve for 5 iterations. Okay, and then you find XL, you write FXL, then you XU, just noting these down over here, right? And then FXU, then XR, then FXR, and then EAX. Okay, so you guys know how to do EAX. That is basically the percentage error. So the first one we'll do XR minus XL over XR. This is just for the first iteration over here. And then we do it for EAX. Then we're going to use XR new minus XR old over XR new. So this would be XR new minus XR old, XR new minus XR old, XR new minus XR old over XR new. And then you get that. Now for step 5, we're going to understand what what I mean by this. So if fxl into fxr is less than 0, then basically xr equals to xu. So whatever we have in xr for the second, or whatever iteration we get, for the next iteration, the same number would go for xu. Say this is greater than 0, then xl equals to xu. And if it's equal to 0, then we end it right there. So this is the basic steps that you kind of need for bisection.